Right. Okay. Update for the day. I've got both of the frames and all of the joints are refined and everything is test fit, dry assembly, no glue, no screw, no peg, nothing. It's all just sitting there under its own weight and everything looks good. I've now hit the point that I've been kind of dreading. I have to run rabbets on the side and back elements so that I can install plywood panels, and I've had, shall we say, mixed success with controlling the depth of penetration using routers. So this is a bit of a hair-raising, if you'll pardon the sideways pun, hair-raising process I'm going to have to get into. And obviously, since I've put so much work into this already, it's the part that I kind of hate because, if I screw up now, I've got to do all that work all over again. But, that's what's necessary when you're doing a project like this. Sooner or later, you got to roll the dice.